Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel.
So that's our little world where we do a lot of magic with you. And today we've thought about this. This is how you adjust it. You pull it, it becomes a little bigger. I'll do.
But this goes in the back.
Yes. Perfect. Oh, great. Yes. So here we go.
Okay, so what do we have here? Sun-dried tomatoes, avocado, grapefruit.
Here you go. Mangoes will go in first.
How many? All of it.
Can I put the avocado?
Yeah, please. Absolutely. Whatever you like.
Yesterday.
Yeah, you know, right.
And somebody bring down the knife.
Should we chop it?
Yes.
Okay, alright.
Alright. So world is your oyster. Please. These are pumpkin seeds, really great for starting your. Yes.
You don't want too much?
Why not?
No, not too much, not too much.
What is too much? Nothing is too much.
But not.
Did you put it on plate?
Oh, we didn't.
So we'll give it a blend. We'll give it a blend, and then we'll add
Yes,
raisins.
yes. Why not? You want to do that?
Please.
It's all right.
No, it's not gonna bite you.
Okay.
Perfectly safe.
That?
No, even I would.
Yeah, sorry. About this one?
Yeah,
That's good enough. You can always add more.
Yeah, very nice, very balanced. Everything.
So you've got a natural flair.